Hey fam, it's Tan. I wanted to make this quick video to answer a subscriber question that I thought many of you out there might be wondering as well regarding the OEM running boards. So the question is, with the OEM running boards installed, is there any issues with using the OEM scissor jacks to jack up the car? And the short answer is no, you're not going to have any issues at all. Of course, if it's not an emergency situation, there are jack points at the front and at the back of the center of the car that you can actually use a jack to jack the car up and then safely put jack stands underneath the pinch weld jack points. So to kind of give you an idea, what I'm talking about is with the running boards on each side, right, near the front and also near the back, there's going to be two access points that traditionally there's going to be those pinch weld jack points that you can put a jack stand under. And if you look underneath, you can see the access points right here. Here's one of it right here, that cutout area. If you go in there, you can see the pinch weld right there. That's where you would put either a jack stand, or in an emergency, if you have to use the scissor jack, then you'll put it right between those two grooves right there. So you're not going to have any issues. And just kind of show you the back end here as well. This is the back door, and so the rear access point also has a little spot right here. So right there. So this is going to give you enough clearance not only for the scissor jack, but also if you take the car to the dealer for servicing, or you take it to Costco and they use those car lifts. There's plenty of clearance for them to use. Just reference back to my visit to Costco video where I had the Michelin CC2s put on. They use the lift, and after I got my car home, I just did a quick inspection just to check that there's any damages to the pinch weld. None at all. So hopefully that answers your question. And one thing I will show you, since we're talking about running boards, is I'm 5'7", and there's a common question around on hot days, does it burn my foot? Now, granted, I am 5'7". I'm average or below average height here in America. I'm Asian, right? So I just want to show you the clearance with my feet. Check this out. Here's my left foot. I step right here, take my other foot, I step right in. Doesn't touch it at all. Doesn't touch it at all, and I just hop into the car. For me, I rarely use the running boards except for when I wash my car. So I'll use this as a I'll step on here to be able to get to the top, and then use my pressure washer and spray the top of my car off. So besides that, later in the summer when I do put on a cargo box, that'll give me easier access to get to the top as well. But just want to give you an idea. These running boards are mainly used by my kids and my wife. But for me, getting in and out, my pant legs, my calves, they never touch for a dude that's 5'7". So those that are 5'7" or taller, I would imagine you would have no issues at all as well. But if you are shorter, like my wife, she's 5 foot even, she uses them all the time. So hopefully that helps and answers your question. Peace.